Hey, hello guys. Welcome back to another interesting video. Today we are gonna see cylinder lift, which mostly the people who used to lift more weights in India, they used to have such kind of cylinders for the home hole and also even for the moreover the industrial. I mean the restaurants where we have the usage of cylinders. So let me start with the cylinder design and then I'll go on to the structure how I have created to lift the cylinder in an easier way. So I already been done the design, so I just explain what I have done here in the Solidworks. So as soon as I start, like I've selected the plane and I have drawn the sketch by dimensioning the cylinder. I just know the approximate value, just refer to the internet and then capture the design. So having overall distance and being a 20" by 12.25 or 12" this is a revolve shape, and also have been made some kind of a little oval and to make such cylinder. And then later on have been done a revolve to lift this handle to make sure the height from the center all within the limit of for commercial and also for for home appliance. Both sizes has to match. So I have done some from center to 12.5" and from the bottom if you see it's 10.3 or roughly I could say 10". So this is just to food to hold, and this is just to handle to lift the cylinder, but we need to connect the area with the cylinder and handle. So I have just made this as per the standard, like from the reference of the model. But I have own cylinder, so I'm just measure it and then I've created that. So these two fillets to avoid the sharp corners, just made the fillets to emboss all these things to maintain the smooth face. And later I just made an extrude cut. This was there in some brand. They have this region where they used to have the whole slot that have been circular pattern for the both sides. And then just to represent it, I just made this revolve, just normal revolve to this air, I mean the gas plug-in on the top of that. So that's how I made this cylinder. This is just a rough design, and now making the design, I just move to the assembly where I have created the structure. I mean the lifting arm. So let me go to there. Yeah, this is where I've done this overall the structure frame where you can see at the end of the video like how this structure is going to help to lift the cylinder. So here I've been used this 3.5" diameter wheel, which you will be getting in the market, like so let me explain. So I have just kept the cylinder, and based on the reference I have selected the frame plane. I've been drawn the structure according to the height, and have been selected uh, the square cube, which is around 1". So based on the height of the human, normally it's around 5.5 feet to 6 feet. Based on that, I have fixed the height of the frame around 50" approximately from the ground. And here this is just to hold the cylinder. I just made a pipe, I mean the strip, by having the diameter of the cylinder, so around 12". So I just slightly bend it and then have been kept here to weld. This you can keep wherever you want, but I just kept it over near to this. And also this frame, if you see, this is an 1" by 1", and this is just to hold the handle. So that's how we can again in the top, if you see, again I have used the same square inch pipe on a horizontal way to weld each other, and this two all as a kind of a pipe, and the top of that you can make a grip or a rubber grip to handle much more easier. So this wheel has a kind of a shaft where you can just insert and make a groove and insert the circle or like this is a bearing a wheel, so you can just make a groove to insert a screw, or I mean like a threaded mat, or but that should arrest only the inner race, not on the outer race, so that will allow the bearings to rotate. So that's how I have done this two wheels. So hope you like the video, like how I have done this minimalistic design to lift the cylinder. At the end of the video, you just see the sample like which I have gotten from the YouTube. So by keeping that as a reference, just I made this model. So if you guys are interested, just drop a mail to my given description mail ID, so that I can give you this design in the manufacturing way how you want as per your need. If you want any design changes, I can definitely help you on that. Yeah, thanks for watching this design. So we'll catch up in the next video. Until then, bye from Shapeit. Thank you.